Boys are enjoying a sneaky feed while the girls are sleeping. Ricky, Tank and Dexter. Loving it. Get it while your sisters are sleeping. Get it round for you, Dex. Oh my God, he's nearly finished already, Dexter. He absolutely loves porridge, doesn't he? And rice pudding, what they're eating now. He loves them both. Hey, look at him go. Oh my God, Dexter, take your time. You're going to be sick. It's nearly gone. He's catching up to him now because he was the smallest boy. I think he might be the biggest boy now. He's going to be a brute. They all three boys are, aren't they? Saying that, the girls are not that much further behind.
No,
Are they?
No. Yeah.
Let me just carry on filming this. Look at his ball, isn't it? He's not naturally far. Look at him.
Nailed it.
I know. Tank's got loads left.
Turn.
Ricky's taking his time. There's going to be a fight in a minute because Dexter's going to try and get their food. I think I might have to open another tin just for Dexter. Look at him go. He's on Tanks. I'm going to have to open another tin. Tank's sharing though.
He's got no choice.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to stop filming and open another tin.